Morning, everyone. It's 8:35, and I have a bunch of numbers for you. And let me warn you in advance, there is a lot of background noise. I have workers here putting in new windows, so can't exactly ask them to stop so that there's no background noise. This is your Wednesday morning pre-open, and it's video number 567. And I want to remind everyone that we still have a couple of spaces left in the futures, and if you're interested, please get to me. I'm going to guess by around the first of the year that's going to be gone. Okay, so Asia higher, Europe higher, and the UK slightly higher on news of Brexit. COVID is still the main problem for all of these markets. We had the head of the World Health Organization come out this morning and saying there will be no herd immunity until 2021, because that's how long it will be before we cycle through the infections and the vaccinations. Pfizer is in a deal to sell the U.S. government more of their vaccine, so that's a positive. And President Trump is threatening to veto the stimulus bill because he wants a bigger check to individuals, and he's a bully, so we'll see what he does. Oil was slightly lower on a surprise build in U.S. inventories, but right now it's really pretty much unchanged. I'll get to that in a minute. For the numbers, personal income, a big disappointment, down 1.1% versus down 0.3% as far as expectations. Personal spending was up 0.4, and that was exactly as expected, up 0.4. Durable goods orders were up. That's a positive, up 0.9%. But ex autos, it was worse. Ex defense, it was worse. So there's that. And today we have the claims number, even though it's only Wednesday. Tomorrow's a half day, so they're really kind of pushing everything into today. And that is, initial claims were down 89,000, but still higher than expected at 803,000. And continuing claims were slightly better at 5.33 million versus 5.507 last week. So those are all of the numbers. The market is doing pretty basically nothing. It was down about 50 before the numbers came. Right now it's up about 70. So we did have a bounce while I wasn't looking. S&P is up around $8. As I said, the Dow is up 66 plus $4.50 for fair value. NASDAQ is up about 13. So something must have perked up in the Dow. The other numbers are pretty much as they were 20 minutes ago before. Okay, so here's the gold, and we have another very quiet day. We did get down to the number I was looking for, which was 1862. We got to 1860.9, and we haven't really moved much from there. So we'll have to see whether that number holds or not during the day. As I mentioned, the oil is really not much changed. It's down a penny, and it too has narrowed its range again, but it bounced also right off this 20-day MA. So the 5-day is turned down, but we could easily go through that and turn it back up. As I said, let's see, the low 2 days ago on Monday was 46.25. Today's low is 46.16, so a little lower, but we're trading above that moving average, and we'll have to see how that goes. Let's just take another quick look at our favorite chart, the Bitcoin chart. And the dollar was down ever so slightly, overnight, but Bitcoin is again higher. A close anywhere near where it's trading right now would be a new all-time high close. Monday's high was 23,415. Today's high so far is 23,175. So, unless there's something floating around that I haven't seen, I'm expecting a new higher close again. Last look at the Dow, up about 72. All right, everyone, have a good day, and I'll be back later.